Hello everyone, this is Erica Love Simple Cooking, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Pray that you all are doing well. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And my future subscriber, thank you as well. So guys, what is on the menu today? I'm gonna make some pasta, some salmon, and some chicken, guys. So I'm gonna pour the water for the pasta. Over here is another pasta pot because I'm making two kind of pasta, guys. I'm making a chickpeas pasta and also regular pasta. So I'm gonna put a dash of oil so that the pasta don't stick. Same thing I do for both pasta, guys. And now I'm gonna add some salt. Not a lot of salt, just a little bit. The same thing I'm doing with the next pot. I'm putting salt and oil in the pot. Yes, guys, so my chicken is seasoned with some scallion and some garlic powder and sweet pepper and onion and thyme. So guys, now I'm gonna dump this out in my pot. And then guys, over here and then the next pot I have my fish, so I'm gonna put my fish in the next pot, guys. Okay guys, so that's my salmon pot. I'm gonna put in my salmon. So guys, I'm using some coconut oil. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share, guys. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm gonna brown the salmon on both sides. Alright guys, over here guys, the chicken is cooking, and in the back guys, I'm waiting on my pot to boil up to put the pasta. So yes guys, there goes the pasta garbanzo, which is chickpeas, guys. So this is what I'm gonna use. For one pot of regular pasta, this one is chickpeas pasta, guys. Yes, that's the chickpeas pasta. That's for people who are staying away from carb, so that's low glycemic. So that's the chickpeas pasta, guys. So right here, guys, the salmon is not ready to turn yet, guys. Right here, the chicken. Turning the chicken, guys. Make sure it's brown. All the chicken, guys. Letting that brown down, and then I'm gonna add some water and some mango thing I bought from the store, guys. Yes guys, so I have this sauce. So I'm gonna put some of this sauce in the chicken. Not a lot. And I'm gonna put some on the fish too, guys. So guys, because I'm trying not to fry food, so I'm gonna mix up all these sauce, some ketchup, some barbecue sauce. I'm making some sauce, guys, to pour over the fish. So that's my onion, scallion, and sweet pepper and garlic. And I'm gonna pour this over the fish, guys. And here you go, guys. And then I'm gonna cover this up and let it steam down. Just gonna cover this and let it steam, guys, because I'm not frying the salmon, I'm just glazing it a little bit. So the chickpeas pasta. The chickpeas pasta is almost done cooked, guys, so I'm gonna pour it off and get ready to put the sauce on it. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put my pasta. This is the pasta, guys. That's the pasta I'm using. Okay, guys, so I'm checking on the salmon. Guys, the salmon wasn't fried. I just put it in the coconut oil and I mix some sauce and I pour the sauce all over the salmon, guys. So now the salmon is still cooking down. Trying to not to cook too much greasy food, guys. I'm trying not to fry a lot of stuff. So guys, you can cook without frying. So there goes the salmon cooking. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you guys for your support. So that's salmon right there. And there you go, pasta cooking. So I'm stirring it. Chicken cooking also, guys, no frying, guys. What I did, I poured the chicken in the pot, mix some sauce and just put everything to cook. So everything is cooking on slow, guys. So you call this stew chicken, guys. So this is chicken thigh and I'm slow cooking it, guys, without frying. Okay, guys, this is the sauce that I'm gonna use with the pasta. So yes, guys, the pasta is finished cooking. So guys, I'm gonna pour this out and make it drain off. Over here is the garbanzo pasta, chickpeas pasta. So I put the sauce, and when the pot boil up, when the sauce boil up and start to cook, guys, I put the pasta in there and I put a little powder seasoning because the pasta sauce already, or the Alfredo sauce already have salt, so you don't need to add a lot of spice seasoning. Yes, guys, so this is the Alfredo sauce. I put some powder seasoning in there and some dill. So I'm just gonna let this boil up, and once it boil up, I'm gonna add the pasta in it. So there you go, guys. That's the sauce for the pasta. Some Alfredo sauce, guys. So as soon as this boil up, guys, I'm gonna add the pasta to it. Yes, guys, so there you go. Chickpeas pasta is done cooked. So now I'm gonna cover this and leave it, and then I'm gonna put the other pasta in the other pot. Yes, guys, so I put the Alfredo sauce with some extra powder season and some garlic powder. So I'm just gonna stir in everything, stir the sauce in. Yes guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share guys. Put your notification bell on so the next time I upload a simple cooking guys, you guys will receive that video guys. So that's your Alfredo pasta. If you want guys, you could grate some cheese and put in there. Yes guys, so there you go guys, the chicken almost finished. Stew chicken guys with mango sauce. So I had some ketchup and some barbecue sauce in this to get a better color, because as I said, I try not to fry food as much. If I eat fried food, most of the time it's from outside. So when I cook home, I'm trying not to use too much grease with this frying business. So that's the stewed chicken right there. Alright guys, let's check on the salmon. There you go guys. So there you go guys, the salmon is finished. Nice mango gravy, mango sauce. So I bought this sauce in the store. So that's what I use for my fish, with some barbecue sauce and a little bit of ketchup for coloring guys. So there you go guys. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share guys. That's stew salmon there guys. So I just marinate it and then I cook it down with sauce guys. Mango sauce that I bought from the store with some barbecue and ketchup. So right there guys, we have scallion, onion and sweet pepper guys. That's what I use as fresh seasoning. So guys, this is Erica cooking, simple cooking guys, simple cooking. So guys, the chicken is done. So there goes the chicken guys, all finished. So guys, you could eat this chicken with some white rice or rice, whatever you want to eat with it, you could eat with it guys. Yes guys, so this is the vegetable that we're gonna eat. This is just some steamed cabbage I'm making to go with the pasta guys. So you wash the cabbage, cut it up, season it up with powder seasoning, some scallion, some garlic and some onion guys. I'm making it plain today guys. I'm not adding no tomatoes and all those stuff in it because it's already in the meat, so I'm not putting all of that stuff today in this cabbage. So I'm just making this plain with just garlic, onion, scallion, and that's it. Might add some tomato sauce, that's it. Yes guys, so there goes the cabbage. Almost finished steaming guys. So that's the vegetable guys, that's going to go with the pasta guys, some steamed cabbage. Yes guys, so this is a final touch. Chicken and salmon with chickpeas pasta and cabbage. There you go guys, salmon, chicken, chickpeas pasta and cabbage, guys. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for watching. May God continue to bless you. So this is Erica again, who will cook simple cooking, guys. Alright guys, so take care of yourself until next time. Please put your notification bell on so you can see how I make my simple cooking on a daily or weekly basis, guys. Take care, guys, until I talk to you again. Bye-bye.